Tired of manually searching for the nearest Walmart? We're testing an eye tool that locates stores, checks inventory, and saves you hours of scrolling. Here's how it works. Finding Walmart locations used to mean opening Google Maps, typing, waiting for results. Freelancers and small business owners waste valuable time on repetitive tasks. AI-powered store locators eliminate this friction entirely. They integrate location data, real-time inventory, and directions seamlessly. Let's explore how modern eye tools solve this for creators managing multiple locations or clients. These tools use geolocation APIs and machine learning to map nearby stores instantly. They pull live inventory data, hours, and customer reviews automatically. You input your location once, and AI handles the rest. Perfect for content creators scouting filming locations, freelancers managing client errands, or businesses tracking competitor inventory. The accuracy is impressive, showing exact stock levels in real time. We tested 3 solutions: Google's AI-enhanced maps, specialized retail locator apps with AI backends, and ChatGPT plugins. Google Maps A provides fastest results with integrated reviews. Retail-specific tools offer deeper inventory insights. ChatGPT integrators works offline and learns your preferences. Each serves different needs depending on your workflow requirements and device preferences. Creators can map B-roll locations instantly. Freelancers streamline errands for clients. Small businesses monitor competitor stock in minutely before purchasing. The time saved. These AI tools aren't just convenient, they're business multipliers for anyone managing logistics or location-based content. Found this helpful? Subscribe for more AI tool reviews, hit like, and comment which store locator you use.